for that because I'm not 100% sure. You can check that in the comments.
Yeah.
But
I forget we're recording sometimes.
yeah, I'm sure somebody will correct me in the comments with the tallest building in Pattaya.
Yeah, they do everywhere, don't they?
But don't get me wrong, there's still a ton of nice places in Pattaya. I've lived all over Pattaya, Jamtien. Jamtien is a nice area. I prefer the dark side, but my hang up with that is it takes too long to get to.
Like, I suppose you had to say the dark side be too far as that.
Yeah, it's like 20 to 30-minute ride, depending on traffic. Yeah. You could probably get there in 15 minutes if there's absolutely no traffic on the back from. But it's
I'd want a 5-minute walk to the beach.
That's what I have now.
Is that what you got here? Just 5 minutes.
That's what I have now. I live in Pratsmack now. It's like a 5-minute walk to the beach. Yeah, it's probably a 5-minute walk to the beach.
So is there anything like this on the beach in Pattaya? So still close to the beach?
Oh yeah.
And how much would that cost?
Like the Copacabana is directly across from the beach.
Is that a hotel though, or
it's a hotel?
You could
high rise.
Yeah.
I stayed there for 2 weeks. This time last year. That Copacabana, it was an Airbnb, so I don't know what their rental prices would be, but I do know in the whole building there's like 4 elevators, and so it takes like 10 minutes to get the elevator.
Yeah.
And that's really.
Yeah, you said something about that earlier.
Yeah.
They give you a hang up on elevators and everything. Stuck in buildings, counting how many there are.
Sometimes I'll be sitting there thinking it's broke. Like it must be broke. Like don't even think about ordering your boat from the fucking room because you're not gonna make it.
Do you order many? Do you order much food in grab at that?
I used to a lot. Now I kind of made it a point to live close to, or at least go outside of my condo and explore the street food or restaurants close by, because there's always something close by. If you really look, you'll find something close by. And
I've never had one of these down here yet.
No,
never.
You got tons of shit around you to try. There's too many options.
You know the 7-Eleven over the road?
Yeah.
On a night, you'll probably see it later. That car park fills up the street vendors as well.
Oh yeah.
But the market's there. It's like I don't know. It's weird. Everyone seems to get on though.
I don't think like. I wonder like if Thai people even eat at home ever. Like I feel like everybody just eats out all the time.
Yeah, I
know people do cook, but I mean like Thai families at home, like do they cook at home? And
I think they do, because you can save still.
Yeah.
I think we just sort of take it a little bit for granted how cheap it is, but to them it's not quite that cheap, maybe. Because I've just bought a big bag of rice.
That's true.
I think it was about this big, massive bag of rice.
Mm-hmm.
That was 100 baht. And if you think I'm paying 60 baht for a portion with the rice and some salmon, it's the same like a big bag of rice.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like it's two meals over there pays for that whole bag of rice.
Yeah.
And so on, but
you know what? I take that back. I know they cook because every Thai girl I've dated,
they'll probably be competing me. Some Thai people have gone, we all cook. Yeah. We're not lazy.
Yeah. Don't hate me. No, but every Thai girl I've dated knows how to cook. So
really?
Yeah.
I'm still to find that Thai meat one yet to actually get to like I've been on a couple of days, blah blah blah. But to have like one that comes over and cooks and have that kind of more of a nice day.
Yeah. Cheers. Yes, sir. Cheers.
Oh shit, where was me? Yeah. Then back going home on it. How could we ever go back?
It'd be fucking hard. It'd be really hard to go back. I mean, I'd adjust to it, just like anybody else. We're human beings. We got to adjust to change. But in the back of your head, if you went back home and had to go home, in the back of your head, you would never forget this shit.
Just me alone, like landing back right, or be like just stepping off, just feeling the energy and now what's about to come. You know what I mean? Like just be, and then like imagine having to stay there again. We've got this around you every day. How could you possibly perceive the usual?
Knowing what else is out there.
How could you accept it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Without being depressed.
Like going back and people telling you that, yeah, you have to spend half of your check on rent again, and the rest of it you have to spend on bills, groceries, and shit.
Man,
Like, that'd be tough.
it terrifies me, the thought of it, you know what I mean? But I won't ever let that happen. I don't need to ever get there again. And well,
Yeah.
the thought of popping back's nice. You know what I mean?
What it is it's thinking about that is it's motivation for me to never go back to.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
I don't ever want to go back to that.
Just that feeling of when you landed back, like last time and stuff.
Yeah, like I was saying earlier, like it was hard for me to even describe to my dad because he was like, "What do you mean?" Because I told him I was like, I feel like I'm in a dream right now.
Yeah.
Like this doesn't
Still,
feel
after
real
all
being
this
back
time?
in the States.
Oh, when you okay,
When I went back home, not being here.
Right, okay.
Like I think I've been here so long now that it doesn't necessarily feel like a dream. It feels like this is what living should be like.
Yeah.
But when I went back home, talking to my dad, it felt like I was in a dream. And he asked me how, like asked me to explain, and I couldn't. I'm like, I don't know. I can't explain it to you. Like this doesn't feel real. Like being back in the States and living this type of life, it doesn't feel real. But the best way I could probably sum it up is that, like, and this is just from my own perspective, it doesn't feel real because that's not what it's supposed to be like to live. Like you shouldn't be stressed all the time about fucking putting food on the table and trying to, just live a regular life. And then being bombarded with, you need more all the time from advertisements and companies, peer pressure from everybody else trying to keep up with other people.
Did you upgrade like every year a new things every year? Like
not to the extreme. Like I didn't need the newest gadget every year it came out, but
you have an iPad
I wanted
that
to
you
have
never
the nice
used?
one. I wanted to have nice stuff. Like,
do you ever have like an iPad that you never use, or just thought that'd be a good idea, things like that?
no, I refuse to buy something I'm not going to use. But still, I mean, buying an iPhone, I mean, it's a luxury because it's really just a phone at the end of the day. Like I could get by with the Nokia phone if I had to.
Yeah, too.
But so accustomed to having this phone with all these apps and all this other stuff that I didn't need before, but now all of a sudden it's like, oh, I need this stuff.